my name is Anne Britt and welcome to my channel. My background is I'm a holistic therapist, beauty therapist, and I've been in the industry for 30 years. Today's video we're going to be doing strictly all about eyes. We're going to be doing Gua Sha and double jade rolling just for the eye area. So without further ado, let's get into the video. First of all, let's address what causes dark circles. So the causes are hyperpigmentation, it can be allergies, seasonal allergies, it can be dehydration, simple fact, not drinking enough water, not enough sleep, poor sleeping habits, aging of the skin, which unfortunately, yes, we all face it, so thinning of the eye area, and also fat reduction. And it can also be because of iron deficiency. Let's address what causes puffy eyes. So puffy eyes, it can be genetics, it can be hereditary, unfortunately, mummy, daddy gave it to you. It can also be too much sodium, too much salt in the diet. And it can be caused also by fluid retention, not enough sleep, poor sleeping habits, and also seasonal allergies. So how do we fix puffy eyes or reduce it and dark circles? So we can apply treatments topically, which would be an eye cream, which is going to decongest that area, which you should look for. Definitely caffeine is in the ingredients. That's one of them. Can help reduce this topically is also using Gua Sha or Jade rolling method. And what that does is it improves the microcirculation around the eye area, improving lymphatic circulation, so it's taking them toxins away. Also, remember that the acupressure point related for under the eyes is the kidneys. So that's why drinking so much water is very important. If you find it difficult to drink 8 glasses of water a day, just do what I do. Just slug on a big bottle of water every day, and it helps drastically, not just for here but also the health of your actual eyes. So without further ado, I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Gua Sha and the jade roller. I'm going to use a double roller method, but if you only have one jade roller, that's not an issue. You can just do one eye and then use the roller on the other eye. So let's get to it. We come to our demo. So first of all, we're going to start with the Gua Sha. Make sure you put your eye cream on, your facial oil. We're going to take this notched edge here, place your ring finger just there at the eye, and then we're going to slowly come across and then wiggle when you get to the temple. Do it a little bit slower than this. I'm just doing it a little bit faster for the sake of the video. And then the other side. And now we're going to come to the brow area. So just place your fingers in the middle of your brow, close your eye, we're going to come slowly across do the other side. Close your eye, come slowly across. On your eye, come slowly up like you're lifting the skin. going to do the same on the other side. And now we're going to take the short flat edge and come up the third eye. And voila. Take the two small ones and we're going to go under the eye and just roll slowly towards the temple. This feels so nice and cooling. Now I'm going to take the large roller. I'm going to close my eyes. Remember, if you just have one roller, just do the movement on one side and then the other. And you can do this every night or every morning if you wish, whenever you can fit in your schedule. It's really nice, especially when your eyes are very tired and you have a lot of eye strain. And now we're going to take the large roller and go across the forehead. And you can also go up, that feels nice. Come across again. And then, as always, I'm going to end on the third eye. Very good for releasing stress and anxiety. You see how I do it more than 3 times, I just love that. So that is it, voila. Very easy, just another technique to help with eye strain, eye fatigue, puffy eyes, dark circles, because we've got to get that circulation going. So I hope this was helpful to you. In advance, thank you for any likes and subscribes, it's much appreciated. And until the next skincare video, I will say adios and over and out. Thank you for watching. Bye.